As many of you know, coffee is said to be the blood that fuels life, job sites, relationships. Maybe not relationships. I don't know. Anyways, I'm here today with Matt because you guys voted on Facebook. We had the head-to-head between the drill press and the OXX coffee maker, and you guys chose the OXX coffee maker. And Matt loves coffee. So you take a coffee maker and you take some Matt, and we have Matt showing us the coffee maker. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
What's up, man? I'm well. How are you, Matt?
Good to see you.
So today we have the OXX indestructible coffee maker here.
Yeah.
It's a portable, waterproof, dustproof, and crush-resistant job site coffee maker. Simple to use. As you can see, it's set up to tie down to a truck. It's modular, has a nice handle on it so you can carry it around the job site.
That's a nice handle.
It's about 17 pounds with the water tank full.
Yeah.
The water tank is sealed, so it's spill proof, as you can see. With a 12-ounce cup, you can get about 7 cups of coffee out of it.
Oh, that's
so,
good.
Yeah,
because you don't want more than 8 guys around a coffee.
Yeah, too many guys.
That's
Way
too many guys.
So let's open it up.
All right,
let's open it up. Check it out. We got a front lid here. It takes up to a 7-inch cup with this on. When you remove this, it'll do an 8-inch cup and has a 4-inch wide base.
Cool.
It has a 3-foot retractable cord. See?
We brought the DeWalt power station, the portable power station, to power this so you guys can see the whole things in action.
So we get this going. Up here, you have a power button. Just turn it on, let it warm up for a second. You know, obviously the concept is for a job site to keep the guys on the job site instead of having to run out for coffee.
Yeah.
So
well, it's also nice, right?
Yeah.
Like, isn't it nice when someone brings you a cup of coffee?
Yeah.
It's like,
I want one for camping. You know what I mean?
That's perfect for camping.
Throw it in the back of the truck, powered by the truck, and we have a camping.
You know what you could do too is if any of you guys are in Canada or somewhere that's really cold, maybe Minnesota, you get 2 of these and you can set it up as a little goal when you guys are ice fishing, right?
Yeah.
Because it's that indestructible.
Yeah, I think it's awesome. I think we're about ready to make a cup of coffee.
What are we going to make today? We have 2 different flavors.
Still heating.
What do you like?
What do we have? We have
a Folgers.
We have
right?
a Folgers. We have a Donut House coffee. I'm going with Donut House because I'm a fat guy.
Wow. Shocker. I mean, he said it. I didn't say that. He said it.
All right, so
I don't want this to be awkward or anything.
You saw when I turned that on, it's already ready to brew. It takes about just over a minute to brew a cup of coffee. I'm going to do the small setting here.
Yeah.
And we're off to the races.
So wait, you put the K-Cup up top, right?
K-Cup
and
right here.
And it's going to take any K-Cup.
You can take any K-Cup, and it also can take the refillables, but it's a certain kind of refillable that you get. But
right.
they sell them on OXX's website, so you can get them there.
Cool.
They also sell a tech pack for this that not only carries the coffee maker, but it has a side package that can carry K-Cups as well. That's available on their website.
And then we have the filters here too.
Yep.
So, because this does have a water filter in it.
Correct.
Make sure you're drinking the cleanest,
Yeah.
purest water.
They say to change it every 3 months.
Right. Which is probably what you want to do anyways.
Clean it and descale it about every 3 months.
And then we do have these here in stock, so if you want to come by, you can check them out. And then we also sell coffee pods.
We do.
Too, right? What are they called?
The coffee pods, workhorse coffee pods.
The workhorse coffee.
Yep.
So if you want to amp your guys up with twice as much caffeine,
yeah, we have a
you
couple.
can do that too.
There's a medium roast, a light roast, and then we have a 2 times caffeine roast, which Nick had one earlier. He's obviously all amped up from that. So
yeah, I think he's trying to hide actually from Zach.
Yep. So that's it. That's a cup of coffee.
All right,
let's make the second one.
Look. There's coffee in there. He made coffee. All right, let's see what the next one.
Here's your stuff there.
Okay.
Take that.
But do you want
nothing?
This is yours.
I take nothing in my coffee. It's black. Like my coffee black. No sugar. No
Do you
cream.
is that because you add the donuts?
It's because I get enough sugar from the donuts. I don't need anything. Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense.
So I just need that cup, and then we're gonna make your cup of coffee. I need your cup.
I guess that's the point of a coffee maker, right? You put the coffee in the cup. I'm gonna wake up with some Folgers right now.
Yeah. In your cup.
In my cup. Folgers in the cup. Yeah. And these come in, do they come in different colors?
Yeah, you can get, we have the green ones in stock here, but you can get, I believe, a black one, limited edition.
Yeah.
And also like a camo green one.
Cool. Yep. So if you guys see that online and you want that, You can just give us a call or stop by the store and we can order that for you.
Yep,
right?
absolutely.
Yeah,
Yep.
cool.
How are we doing?
It smells.
It does. It smells nice.
We should talk about the flavor profiles of
Yeah.
coffee.
I think that's more your thing than
Is
mine,
that my
Matt.
thing? It's nutty. There's elements of hazelnut. It smells like a warm hug,
Yeah.
like a good one, not
Yeah.
a bad one from like.
Yeah, everyone loves a good hugger.
Yeah, exactly.
As you can see, the DeWalt power station is working great for us.
Yeah, and it's not even making any noise.
Yeah,
Too,
yeah, it's
right?
great.
So we're actually
Yeah.
having a conversation. We're
Yeah.
shooting this, and it came on for like a hot second.
Yeah.
It was off.
Yeah, no problem. And your coffee's all
My
set,
coffee
too.
is done now too.
We did the small selection, so it's a little like there, but
That's
good.
okay. I'm gonna add some sugar because I don't have any donuts.
Hey. Yeah, so
Whipped cream.
the OXX coffee box runs off AC power because it takes in a lot of power to get the hot water hot enough, fast enough. So a good solution obviously is running some sort of a generated power or a battery power like this. But no compromises.
We sell these here. There's also adapters you can get for your truck.
Yeah,
or
you can use an inverter. You can use this.
Yeah.
You can use anything.
Cool. All right, let's see if the coffee's coffee.
Cheers to
Cheers
coffee.
to coffee.
It's scalding.
It is super hot. That was ridiculous. I took way too much.
Yeah,
right now.
yep,
You
I
can
was
see
careful.
the
I was
steam.
safe with it.
It's actually 82 degrees out. You can see the steam coming off of this, which is ridiculous.
Yep. So like Matt said, we have
And
these.
Matt said,
we have these here in stock at Burns Power Tools. We also have the coffee pods to go with them. And as far as the special order, the different styles, the different colors, we can get those as well. So come see us or order them online at burnstools.com.
thanks guys, and
Thanks.
Matt, cheers.
Cheers.
Still hot.
Yeah, it's very hot.
Still hot.